I'm Matt Nakino, Argo's head of design and construction out here at the Helios site. Over 5,000 yards of concrete have been poured out for the building slab and the major foundations for the big equipment. The entire building has been framed out and over 750 feet of it have been roofed and skinned. Mobilized carpenters, we've mobilized electricians, and all major equipment has been ordered and is currently en route to the project. And we know where everything is and when it's getting here. The building is designed for 120-mile-per-hour wind load, which is not something you'll typically see. We purposely engineered the structure for that because of where we are in West Texas and the wind that we get out here. We just wanted to make sure that we were covered for the 100-year event, the 100-year event plus. So anchor bolts increased, structural member sizes increased, and everything is designed around that long lifespan for the building. This thing isn't going anywhere. We're very confident in the engineering and the structure itself. We're targeting first week of, end of January, first week of February. The building will be buttoned up, keys handed over and done. We're going to have, in the next 45 to 60 days, upwards of 100, 120 guys on site. Every week, it kind of looks like huge steps are being taken out here. It doesn't look like much today, but next week, all of a sudden, the building is wrapped. We've got dry cooler structure stood up. We've got wire underground. We've got transformers on site. So every week, we're taking huge steps in the right direction to meet that date.